Good morning, student. I hope you are fine in this wonderful morning. So, today we are going to study a new topic, that is salivary gland. So, student, in last class we were discussing about digestion in human beings. Like I told you that digestion in human beings starts in mouth cavity. The cavity of mouth is known as buccal cavity. This buccal cavity contains teeth, salivary gland and tongue. Now, students, let's discuss about salivary gland. Students, salivary gland is present in our mouth, which secretes saliva, and hence this gland is known as salivary gland. So, student, this salivary gland contains amylase and ptyalin enzyme for digestion of carbohydrate like starch. So this is the important function of salivary gland. It has been observed that in human adult 1 to 1.5 liter of saliva is secreted in a day. Now student, we will see what is written on board. So three pairs of salivary gland are present in our mouth. So one pair is present in upper jaw and two pair in lower jaw. So student, till now we have studied that three pair of salivary gland is present in our mouth, one pair which is present in upper jaw and two pair is present in lower jaw. These glands secrete water-like fluid called saliva in the mouth. Saliva contains an enzyme known as amylase or ptyalin, or digestion of carbohydrate like starch. So student, till now we have studied that there are three pairs of salivary gland present in our mouth. One is situated in upper jaw and two pair is situated in lower jaw. So saliva contains enzyme amylase and ptyalin or digestion of carbohydrate like starch. Thus digestion of food starts in mouth. It has been estimated that, as we have studied earlier, that 1 to 1.5 liter of saliva is produced in human adults in a day. So student, now a question arises that name the enzyme secreted by salivary gland. So student, you are in condition to answer this question. The enzyme secreted by salivary gland is amylase and ptyalin. So student, now we are going to discuss about tongue. So we will know about tongue. What is the function of tongue? It is a muscular structure which is present in our mouth. It doesn't directly involve in digestion, but it plays a role in digestion. The main important function of tongue is swallowing of food, detection of taste of the food, and speaking. The upper part of tongue is rough and bumpy, which is called papillae. These papillae are covered by taste bud, and these taste bud detect different taste of food. So student, the taste bud is made up of taste cell. The taste bud is made up of taste cell that contain microscopic hair-like structure called microvilli. These hairs send message to brain, which in turn receive the signal and identify the taste of food. The taste bud detect sweet, sour, bitter and salty flavor of food. Now student, we will see what is written on board. We will know much more about tongue, what is the function of tongue and how it helps in digestion. So tongue is a muscular structure present in our mouth. As we have studied earlier that tongue is a muscular structure present in our mouth. So what are the function of tongue? The tongue help us in speaking. it help us in swallowing of food, it help us in detection of different taste of food like sweet, sour and bitter. So with the help of tongue we can identify what is the taste of food, either it is sour or either it is sweet or bitter. Now you can see the diagram of tongue in the board. The upper part, you can see in the diagram the upper part is rough and bumpy, which is known as papillae, and beneath it is lower part. These papillae contain taste bud. So the taste bud detect 5 different kind of taste, that is sweet, sour, bitter, salty and umami. Umami is a Japanese word which means delicious, which tastes meaty flavor. So taste bud is made up of taste cell that contain microscopic hair-like structure. So what are the taste bud? Taste bud is made up of taste cell that contain microscopic hair-like structure called microvilli. These microvilli transfer signal to brain. What microvilli does? Microvilli transfer signal to brain, which in turn identify which kind of taste it is, either it is sweet, sour or bitter in taste. That's all about tongue. So student, now we are going to discuss about esophagus. So basically what is esophagus? A pipe-like structure that starts from mouth and ends in stomach is known as esophagus. It is also known as food pipe. It does not directly involve in digestion, but it helps in digestion by pushing the food from mouth to stomach. This movement is known as peristalsis. So now student, we will see what is written on board. The mouth cavity or buccal cavity opens into a pipe like structure called esophagus. So what is esophagus? Mouth cavity or buccal cavity which opens into a pipe like structure called esophagus. So student, esophagus is also known as food pipe. So what is esophagus? Esophagus is also called as food pipe because it helps in passing off food from mouth to stomach. So esophagus is a pipe-like structure. It is also known as food pipe. It helps in passing of food from mouth to stomach. Esophagus is a pipe-like structure that starts from mouth and ends in stomach. So what we have studied about esophagus? Esophagus is a mouth or buccal cavity which opens into a pipe-like structure that is called esophagus. Esophagus is also known as food pipe because it helps to pass food from mouth to stomach. Esophagus is a pipe-like structure that starts from mouth and ends in stomach. So student, digestion of food does not take place in esophagus. Don't get confused that digestion of food takes place in esophagus. It does not take place in esophagus. It only pushes food away from mouth towards stomach, which is known as peristalsis. What is the role of esophagus in digestion? So esophagus help to push food from mouth towards stomach, and this process is known as peristalsis. So student, as you can see the diagram of human being, as the diagram of human being is drawn over here. you can see a pipe. So what is pipe? What kind of pipe this is? This is an esophagus which help to push food from mouth to stomach. As we have studied, what is esophagus? It is a pipe-like structure which help to push food from mouth to stomach. Esophagus, in esophagus digestion doesn't take place. Don't get confused. It only help to push food from mouth to stomach, which is known as peristalsis.